How to remove limit on Instagram app. So hello guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how to remove limit easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Click on the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager, go to the apps again right here in the top. Wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So after it get loaded, scroll until you find Instagram app. After that, click here on force stop and go to the data usage. Now right here on the network access, you need to disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. So click on enable them again after you disable them, and then go to the storage. On this option, it's very important step. Click here on clear cache only. After you click on the clear cache, now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.